So we said that we were going to be coming back to this project in a couple of weeks, and it is now complete. And I'm here with Rick Naylor. And Rick, you know, your nursery is French Prairie Perennials,
Correct.
but this part of your business is visualscaping.
Correct.
So you said that if we do this stuff in the fall, it's completed, winter can hit no matter what happens, and then in spring you're ready to actually just concentrate on the gardens themselves because this is all done, right?
Right, exactly.
And you were accurate because this is beautiful. It really is a great layout. And again, no sprinkler problems because you guys pay attention to all that.
Right. No, we had some things we had to move around, but you know, the homeowner here is going to plant some stuff along the edge of the walkway and stuff, so we wanted to be cognizant of that also. But I think that the great thing is getting it done this time of year. It's also a great time to plant.
Right. Yeah,
right
that's
now.
true.
So it also, there's that advantage to it, but again, you get to use it during the summertime. It's all done, ready to go, and ready for your parties or whatever.
And for this project, this wasn't a path. I remember this just being lawn and mud. This really makes even the winter times better, though, if you have to go out to the greenhouse or get firewood. All of it becomes much better.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. And now it's accessible. If the homeowner has some friends that are in a wheelchair, so it's now much more accessible for them, which was an important factor. But also, yeah, now you can get to the greenhouse to do whatever you need to do, and you don't get all muddy, and you don't have to worry about.
Excellent. Yeah. So good. And you know, one of the things I love about visualscaping and your company, Rick, is that you actually pay attention. A lot of companies, as they grow, they just want bigger projects because that's more money. But you really help people, even if this project is smaller. That's less important than making sure that every project looks amazing and done well.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, all projects are the same to us. It doesn't matter, big, small, little, in between, whatever. The whole focus of visualscaping is to allow you to see what you're getting before it goes in, or you know, it's a very collaborative process, so that you don't have to rely on a piece of paper. You don't have to rely on what you see on the internet. You actually get to see exactly what you're getting before any of it's done.
And that helps because so often plants, and you're very good about this in your business, plants appear to be a certain size often when we buy them, and good horticultural minded people know that they can get much bigger, and you're aware of all that as well.
Right. It's important to leave space. I mean, that's the thing is about a landscape should last 15 to 20 years, not 3 to 5.
Right.
And that's some of the issues that we run into a lot as we see yards that have been planted freshly 5 years ago, and we go in and have to
rip stuff
remove
out.
a lot of stuff and redo it. So the important thing is to just do it right the first time, and then enjoy it for the balance of the time that you're
in that location anyway. Yeah. Well, you know, here's the fun thing. We do a lot of shows here with Rick about this kind of hardscaping and the landscaping parts as well, and we always walk away going, wow, that's really great. So if you're thinking, I need to look into this more, go to gardentime.tv. We're going to click you over to their websites and their Facebook page, and then you can actually get some information and make plans for your own garden to make it a bit more beautiful. My friend, always a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.